from the Celtic Cello. I'm here with my good friend Philipp Moll.
Hello, hi everyone.
And he's joined me this morning. We've been improvising together, and Philipp is such a fantastic bass player. I asked him to show me a few ideas how I could improvise a bass line on the cello. And it was so great. I thought, let's film it so we can share it. So here we are.
Okay, yeah, thanks for having me over, and we've had some lovely tea and croissants, and now we're going for some work. We're trying to improvise around the key of A minor, and we've just been talking about how we can sort of open up that sound to different colours, and maybe one idea was to say that A minor, or the triad of A minor, also occurs in a different key, for example in G major. And in the G major scale, we've got a couple of triads that we could use, not just the A minor triad, and then maybe triad G major, and A minor again. Exactly. So here you've got two different sounds at your disposal already. Now if you think about the key of G major, we've also got two other major triads that occur. Clíodhna, do you know which ones they may be?
In G major, so we have C major.
Also, exactly.
And we would also have D major.
Okay. Beautiful. Do you want to try alternating these? So A minor, C major, A minor, D major.
Okay.
Just see what it sounds like.
Out, yeah. And C major. Back to A minor.
Exactly.
And now D.
Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. And maybe to G. Back to A minor. Great. So all you do here is you just create some tension by maybe using a different triad and release that tension by going back to the tonic, which is the A minor thing. So maybe we just play a bit.
Fantastic.
And you experiment around with those triads and see how it works.
Okay. Great.
You would count us off?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much.
It was so lovely to play with you. Thanks so much for having me over.
A pleasure, Philipp. Thank you so much, and great, wonderful teaching. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
High five.
High five.